Hands full, tools out. That's when you need light the most. Today we're testing Handi Beam Glasses. Are they better than a head-mounted flashlight or just a novelty? Let's break it down. So Handi Beam Glasses are wearable LED glasses with bright lights built into the frame, so your line of sight directs the beam. They market them for DIY, mechanics, camping, reading, crafting, and any task where traditional overhead or handheld lights fall short. Here's what users like. Hands-free lighting. Your eyes automatically aim at the light that you look, brighter than many headlamp beams at close range. Ideal for detail work, under cabinets, or small corners. Lightweight and comfortable compared to bulky headlamps. Many people say they're more intuitive to use because you don't have to tilt your head to point the light. But it's not perfect. Headlamps usually have stronger, longer range beams, better for hiking, night runs, or outdoor work. Glasses restrict how far the light can project, great for close-up tasks, not for seeing across a dark room. The LED built into the frame often produce more glare and hotspots than balanced headlamp beams. Some people find them less comfortable for extended wear than simple head straps. So are Handi Beam glasses better than a head flashlight? It depends on the job. For close-up work and detailed projects, these glasses are fantastic because the light follows your gaze naturally. For distance illumination, outdoor tasks, or rugged conditions, a headlamp still beats them heads down. The bottom line, think of Handi Beam as a task-specific lighting, not a replacement for every headlight. It's complementary, not superior across the board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.